What's up, guys? Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the Japan camping canteen. Let's begin. So this one's again another one of those like trying to replicate the World War II U.S. canteens. Of course, you got Japan right on there. This one's made of aluminum. Again, having a cap, relying on a chain to be secured so it won't be lost. This one have a 7 marked inside of it, and that's about it. So let's get to the size itself. The size of the canteen would be around about 7/4. The bottom of it will be around about 4 inches, while to the top would be around about 4.5 inches. And the length, or how long the length, would be around about 2.5 inches. So let's get to see how much water this will take. So this canteen takes around about 1 in a 75% of the water bottle, which you could probably, now it's kind of have the same results as the other like World War II canteen, but except for the dents, it probably would have been a lot more, but that's kind of what it is. So now let's get to our conclusion. So yes, overall, this one's again, not a bad one, but it's kind of a little beat up, which that's kind of pretty normal seeing that. It's kind of been given to the same rating as the Taiwan of all things, so yeah. Final verdict, 6 out of 10. That's about it. So that wraps up the Japan camping canteen. I'm Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.